First tonight, many across West Michigan winding down from what was just a picture-perfect Sunday. Scenes like this here all over the place, whether you were doing yard work, washing your car, maybe just getting an ice cream cone. The good news is there is plenty more still on the way for tomorrow. Tracy Hinson joining us from the Weather Center. We saw temps almost near 80 today in some spots.
And it sure did feel like 80 because we did have a little bit of humidity out there. It was a beautiful day, though. Our Facebook friend Megan sent this one in. Hard to tell, but it's actually a giant slip and slide set up all the way in her backyard. That little speck there is the golf cart, just to give you some perspective. I don't know if it was quite warm enough for a slip and slide. I don't know if I would have been out on it, but hey, they were out enjoying that warm, toasty weather. Looking at our high temperatures today, see, it did hit 80 in some spots for you. 80 in Kalamazoo, 80 in Holland, 78 in Grand Rapids, 76 in Ionia. And our temperatures currently right now, it is still pretty warm outside, and it's not going to drop off significantly overnight either. It is 66 in Grand Rapids, some upper 50s out along the lakeshore. And let's take a look at the live radar view. Not much on it. You can see a couple of systems out here to our west. We're going to have to pay attention to this, especially to the system that's making its way up to the northeast. Now looking at our future track, it's not going to cool off much overnight, as I mentioned earlier. A couple clouds though are going to stray through, and that's going to help keep things sealed in. By the time we are off to school or work tomorrow, 53 degrees by 8 a.m. with it feels like a 52. Warm winds directly out of the south, which is what's providing us with this very warm air. As we hit the rest of the afternoon, still going to warm up really nicely. By 4 p.m., 77 degrees. Watch what happens though shortly after 4 p.m. We will bring in a few more stray clouds on here until 10 p.m. Just a few, not by much. So tomorrow, just some clouds here and there. Very similar to what we saw at the end of the day today. It is still going to be warm out there, and unfortunately we are talking rain chances. It's not going to be too cold of a rain though. I'll outline that entire system coming up.